Hi, this is Abel Stewart. Welcome to lesson 19 of our guitar class lesson series. So right now we're going to learn a new chord. This is the E chord. So take a look. For the E chord, what you're going to want to do is, if you remember the E minor, where you have these two fingers here, the middle finger right on the string, not the closest to you, but one away, and then the ring finger right next to it. So that's the E minor. The E is really not that different. All you're going to do is, in addition to these two, you're going to take the string one farther away from you than the other two. So take a look right there. Just like that. That's your E chord. Alright? So strum it. It should sound just like that. Alright, so whenever you're ready, memorize where your fingers are, and you're going to take your hand off. Find it again. So again, just like the E minor, index finger right there. Alright, do that a couple more times. Take your hand off, find it again, and one more time. Take your hand off, find it again. Alright, so if you need to pause the video, practice that for a couple minutes, that's okay. So now we're going to move on and practice changing between the E chord and a couple other chords around it. So a lot of the common chords you're going to run into is between an E and an A, and between an E and a D. So we're going to practice those combinations right now. So we'll start on the E, and we'll do 4 counts of each. Ready, go. E, 2, now we're going to change to A, 4, A, 2, 3, back to E, E, 2, 3, and now the A, 2, 3, back to E, change to an A, 2, 3, back to E. We'll do a couple more times. E, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, and back to the E. There it is. All right. Now let's do the E to the D. Practice those changes a couple times. And if you need to pause the video, practice the E and A a few more times. That's fine. Go ahead and do that now. Alright, so this is going to be the E and the D. Start on the E. 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3. Now change to the D. D, 2, 3, 4. Back to E. E, 2, 3. Now change to the D. D, 2, 3. Back to the E. Change to the D, 2, 3, and back to the E. There it is. All right, that's the E.